Hi guys, my name is Akash Ubale. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we will learn how to create custom thumbnail like this. So lots of comments I was getting. Can you tell me how you make your thumbnail? So in today's video we will learn how to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So we are using Canva to make our thumbnail. So let's make. Just go over here, click on YouTube, just type YouTube. There are many more things, just click on YouTube thumbnail. They will give you the exact pixel. Just click over here. You can use the templates also, but we will take a blank. If you want, you can take templates also from over here, but I will show you from the starting. So let's begin. So we will create a thumbnail, okay, by the way. So let's click on text, select this, let's type over here how to create YouTube. Okay, let's give me space. YouTube custom thumbnail. Click over here, just drag over here like this. Anyway you want, you can click. Okay, and select over here. So let's select background. Let's go for a background. I want gradient background, by the way. Just write the gradient, select gradient. Let's select something new. This gradient what just select this one, guys. Is it looking cool? Let's select this one. Let's select this one, by the way. There are many more. I'm also getting confused a lot which one to select. Let's select this one only, by the way. This one. Just make it big. It's not looking that much good, by the way. Let's select something like this one. Something you can select anything, whichever you want. There are many more things gradient. Okay, so just okay. Now let's add some image. Okay, photo, by the way. Click on photo, because nowadays people have a psychological mind. They connect with a human being. So let's just add some photos. Just click on photos. Let's see, is there any kind of photos? Let's click on upload. Okay, I will add my own photo, by the way. Just add over here. Okay, add this element, by the way. I just do this. Love this stuff. Let's take it top and drag it over here. Let's do some little little adjustment by the way. Okay, it's very simple. Add some elements. Click over here, elements. Let's select elements, some elements. Just click on video, add some elements, whichever you want you can add. I will select this one. It's look little cool, and let's me add something. Let's add this stuff. Let's add this stuff. Even this one is cool. Let's adjust this. Both one. It's very simple. Just drag and drop for you. Just click over here. If you want to change anything, you can change this. As you click, change, don't worry. So you can change anyhow. I think the other one is looking better. Okay, let's change this one, purple one. Let's zoom it out. Okay, so let's adjust the size however you want. Okay, let's add some arrow. Just add arrow. Select arrow. There are many arrows by the way. Select the simple one arrow. Just adjust some sizing over here. Okay. I think it's too big. Just resize this. Turn this. Just click over here and just adjust this side. Let's go for our right hand side. Okay. You can see it's very simple. Just resize your size, text size by the way. If you want to add capital T, capital C, for custom C, even you can for YouTube. If you want to add 2 or 3 for LED, it looks really cool. Let's resize this stuff. This way I make thumbnails for my YouTube channel, custom thumbnail. It's that simple. If you want to add your name over here, you can add, like just click over here for text. Select any text, the simple text. The text will appear over here. Click over here. Just write AKSH Akash. That simple to add, by the way. If you want to, okay, just add Boom, it's ready. Let's change the arrow also. Let me just click over here. Okay, it's looking cool, like white only. What do you think? Boom, it's ready. This way I make my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, that's it. Just click over here. Click on download. If you wanted to convert into MP4, you can convert. Just click on PNG. If you want to and higher size, you can do. I'm okay with this size. Just click on download. It will download. How to create a YouTube thumbnail, custom thumbnail like that. It's that simple. Don't worry, I will give you the description. Canva link in the description. You can even convert this in any form you want. Click over here. Let's click over here. Let's see. Open when it's done. Let's see how to create a YouTube custom thumbnail. It's look. Just give me some seconds. It will appear. Supercharge your channel from in a minute with this Canva. Okay. All these things consider while creating a custom YouTube thumbnail. You get the best CTR rate, by the way. So you can see, even you can zoom. It's very neat and clean, by the way. So this way I create my YouTube thumbnail. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel. You can subscribe our channel. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me. I will make video on that. Okay.